Apologies, everybody. Right, let's go again. Okay. So unfortunately, the animation DVD isn't going to work alongside the presentation. So basically, sorry, can you turn it, please? So during the program, it's split into 2 phases. For 32 days, on an intensive phase, the children receive fruit and vegetables every day. When they receive the fruits and vegetables, based on their consumption, they will then receive prizes. Now, they receive these prizes to motivate the children to increase the fruit and vegetable, because currently 40 million preschool children, 2 to 4-year-olds, are currently obese. So we need to change this, because eating habits established in childhood track into adolescence and then further on into adulthood. So by using an animated DVD with real children that are slightly older than the preschool children, that's motivating to the children for them to then consume their fruit and vegetables. So what were the results of this study? So this study went on for 32 days consistently, and then we moved on to once a week to motivate the children to keep eating those fruits and vegetables and to make the healthier option. So can I write through the honey. So these are just some of the prizes that they won. So a success. So we measured the vegetable consumption and the fruit consumption separately. Now, this is direct measurement of what the children consumed. There was trained researchers consistently in with all measurements recording what the children didn't eat. Now, we all like to look at scraps on a plate every day. So for vegetable consumption, that consumption rose 131%. After 3 months after those 32 days. And for fruit consumption, you can see there's a massive increase in the food intervention nurseries, and that was 60%. So what's the impact of this research? Well, the aim of it is to improve health and well-being of children and their families, to hopefully, in the long term, prevent obesity by targeting the new generation of children who will then pass on to their children the healthier options, and to hopefully cut out all the high energy dense foods, the calorie dense foods that they're currently choosing. This research has also won an award with the Local Authorities Research and Intelligence Award, and is now going to be rolled out in 100 nurseries in this next academic year. So what have I acquired from my Masters by Research? Well, I've worked with academics, businesses, schools, caterers. Over 500 children have been part of this project because it's been 3 studies. And now, at the end of this month, I will start my PhD with Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol, continuing to work with my company partner, which wouldn't have been possible if I hadn't have had my KESS Masters by Research project. Thank you very much.